This is how you create a Google Sheet. First you click New, and you can go into Sheets, open a blank spreadsheet. First thing you want to do is you want to name it. So you click in this top left corner and you name it. I'll name it my name. You can format the columns by clicking and dragging over, so you can make them the size you would like. You can add stuff to a cell. So I can click here and add, if I was doing something on, I might click name, grade, phone number. I can highlight this and format it to make it sort of stand out a bit more. I can also drag from the top down and lock it in as a title. You can add a new column simply by highlighting wherever you want it in, and you can double click, or you can right click, and then you can insert one to the left or to the right. So I can insert one to the right. I can also delete it the same way by highlighting or right clicking, and I can delete column. I can also add or delete rows just by clicking on them and highlighting the one I want to delete, double clicking, and I can delete the row, or I can insert a row above or below. You can add another sheet down here by clicking this plus, and then you can rename it by either double tapping or right clicking and rename the sheet. You can change your font size and color if you add something down here. So if I go in here and I want this row here a little larger font, I can highlight select the area and choose which type of font I want, and I can make it larger. If I do this, then this one wouldn't show, so I could just slide this over so it will add together. I can also merge too, so if I wanted to title this and insert a column above, I could highlight this and take away the color, reset the color, and I could add all these columns together by clicking and highlighting and then selecting the merge button and merge all the cells together to make a title, which would go into this space. I can also make these a little bigger by just dragging and dropping. When I've complete all that, I can also, if my cell is large like this where it wouldn't show, I can highlight it and tell it to text wrap by clicking this one right here, and I could do this and it would just wrap it in the cell. If I wanted this to appear in the middle of the cell rather than in the bottom, I could click this one here and click the middle, and it'll go to the middle. I can also do different alignments where I could center or left or right align. I can then, when I've completed it, I can export it, and I can download it either as an Excel, a PDF, or a web page or a CSV file, which I can upload into a different type of program.